Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Erina Lara Maharani. You can call me Lara. My ID number student is 21029171147. Today I will explain about material. I will explain material about integral. First, one definition integral. Second, integral basic formula. Third, integral properties. And fourth, integral types. 1. Definition integral. Integral is a form of continuous addition consisting of the antiderivative or the reciprocal of the derivative. 2. Integral basic formula. The indefinite integral of a is equal to a times x plus c. The indefinite integral of x to the power of n is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c with n is not equal to minus 1. 3. The indefinite integral of x to the power of minus 1 is equal to ln x plus c. Next, treat integral properties. 1. The integral from a to a fx equal to 0. The integral from a to b fx is equal to minus the integral from b to a fx. The integral from a to b k times fx is equal to k times integral from a to b fx. The integral from a to b fx plus gx in bracket is equal to the integral from a to b fx plus the integral from a to b gx. The integral from a to b fx minus gx in bracket is equal to the integral from a to b fx minus the integral from a to b gx. If a is the less than b, b is the less than c, so the integral from a to c fx is equal to the integral from a to b fx plus the integral from b to c fx. Next, the last material or fourth, integral types. Integral types: indefinite integral and definite integral. First, indefinite integral. Indefinite integral is a form of the operation of integrating a function which produces a new function. This function does not have a definite value, so the way of integration that produces an indeterminate function is called indeterminate integral. The following is the formula for indefinite integral. The infinite integral of fx is equal to fx plus c. Description: fx is equal to curve equation, fx is equal to area under the curve, and c is equal to constant. Next, indefinite integral properties. 1. The infinite integral of a times x to the power of n is equal to a over n plus 1 times x times n plus 1 in bracket plus c. The indefinite integral of k times fx is equal to k times the indefinite integral of fx. The indefinite integral of fx plus gx in bracket is equal to the infinite integral of fx plus the integral from a to b gx. The infinite integral of fx minus gx in bracket is equal to the infinite integral of fx minus the integral from a to b gx. Next example. Determine the value of the following integral: the indefinite integral of x plus 2 squared. Answer: the infinite integral of x plus 2 squared is equal to the infinite integral of x squared plus 4x plus 4 in bracket is equal to the infinite integral of x squared plus the infinite integral 4x plus the indefinite integral 4 is equal to x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared plus 4x plus c. Next, definite integral. If the function f is definite on the interval point b, then the integral from a to b fx is called a definite integral of the function f from a to b, where fx is called the integrand, is called the lower bound, and b is called the upper bound. Integral, of course, this has a different name that it already has a certain value because the limit has been determined. Here is the formula for the definite integral. The integral from x is equal a to x is equal b fx is equal to the indefinite integral of fb minus the indefinite integral of fa. Description: fx is curve equation, fb point fa is equal to integral value for x is equal b and x equal a, and c constant. Definite integral properties. The integral from a to a fx is equal to 0. The integral from a to b fx is equal to minus b from the integral from b to a fx. The integral from a to b fx plus gx in bracket is equal to in the integral from a to b fx plus the integral from a to b gx, and the integral from a to b fx minus gx in bracket is equal to the integral from a to b fx minus the integral from a to b gx, and last, the integral from a to c fx is equal to the integral from a to b fx plus the integral from b to c fx. Next example. Calculate the result of the following definite integral. The integral from 2 to 4 of minus x squared plus 6x minus x. Answer: the integral from 2 to 4 minus x squared plus 6x minus x is equal to minus x cubed over 3 plus 6x squared over 2 minus x is equal to minus x cubed over 3 plus 3x squared minus xx is equal to minus 4 squared over 3 plus 6 times 4 squared over 2 minus x times 4 in bracket minus 2 cube over 3 plus 6 times 2 squared plus over 2 minus x times 2 in bracket is equal to minus 56 over 3 plus 20 is equal to 4 times 3. Okay, thank you for attention and sorry for my mistake, and see you. Thanks for watching guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.